Hello and welcome to this tour of number 96 Loddon Road, 4-bedroom semi-detached house. First of all, starting just to show you the parking area at the front, leading there to the garage and also the front door. So it's a very windy day today, so I'm going to make my way inside perhaps a little bit quicker than usual. So what we have here, it's a vacant property. It's been extended a couple of times on the rear with a new kitchen and also on the side. I think the front area where we're standing at the moment, that's also been extended forward slightly, so much larger than the original. As I said, no onward chain. There is furniture here, but it is vacant, and a property that does need work doing to it, as you'll see as we go round. But nevertheless a really big property. So I'm going to turn around first of all and just give you an idea of the entrance porch where I've just come in. As you can see, it's a UPVC front door. The windows are UPVC double glazed. And just a couple of pointers here. We do ask every owner to fill in a form which asks a few questions about the house and regarding the boiler. I'll show the boiler to you, but that's, we believe, 8 years old, and also the electric consumer unit was updated 13 years ago. That's in the understairs cupboard. So I'm first of all going to take you into the lounge. So this obviously is at the front of the house. You can see we've got a focal point of a fireplace there, the front aspect window, and as you can see, we've got an open archway through to the dining room. The dining room is accessible from the hallway as well. So I'll just take you into the dining room through the hallway, and that would just give you a full idea of just the layout of the house. So through the hallway down here, passing the understairs cupboard on the right, and through this door into the dining room. So this is quite a big dining room. Again, we've got the chimney breast with the focal point of a fireplace there. Let's just walk around a little bit. That gives you an idea of back in through the arch to the lounge. And then we've got the window there, rear aspect window. Kind of felt that the window there, when I first saw it, looks like perhaps a set of French doors would look quite nice there. And a little understairs area there with a cupboard in the corner. And what we have in front of me here is a door which goes onto part of the extension. And then the left door there takes you into the kitchen. I'm just going to show you this through here first. This is the downstairs WC. It's actually quite big because as we step in, we go round to the right, and there we have the low-level WC. So it's quite a big cloakroom with the rear aspect window. These two windows are actually wooden windows. And then back into the dining area. And I'm going to turn right here into the kitchen. So this is an extension to the original house, quite a big kitchen. Nice big window there, again double glazed sealed unit. Let's just show you the view down the garden from this window. Really nice, big garden as you can see. I'll show you the garden in more detail towards the end of the tour. But a good sized kitchen, breakfast room. Built-in oven there as you can see with a 4-ring gas hob. Older units obviously, but nevertheless a really good size. Okay, so now I'm going to take you back through the hallway and show you the first floor. So 4 bedrooms. Now traditionally with a 4-bedroom house, as I'm sure many of you will know, you do tend to find that the 4th bedroom is a bit of a box room, but on this house not the case at all. They are 4 generous sized rooms. I'm just going to turn left here and left again and start with the main bedroom. That's this one here. So as you can see, good sized master bedroom. Plenty of space for the bed, furniture, and then if I just move around here, you'll notice that we've got 2 built-in double wardrobes there. Now these have been sort of built in not the original, whereas the one in the corner there is an original. So master bedroom, and then behind here with a rear aspect window, this is another bedroom with, again, double glazed ceiling unit and also these built-in wardrobes. To be fair, I would think if these wardrobes were removed, this becomes much easier a double room. Literally, it's just a wooden frame fitted wardrobe. There's a single bed there at the moment, but plenty of room for a double bed, perhaps with a little bit of adjustment to those wardrobes. On this side of the house, whilst we're here, I'm just going to show you the bathroom. Big bathroom. For me, it's the sort of bathroom that would take a shower cubicle as well. So comfortably, it could be a 4-piece suite. This is originally the airing cupboard. The tank is no longer because we have a combi boiler, Worcester Bosch combi boiler, and we believe that's 8 years old. Okay, so that's the family bathroom, really good size, and as I said, potential for a four-piece suite comfortably. So on this side of the house, we have, this is the extended part, by the way. So we've got 2 bedrooms. This will be bedroom 3, bedroom 2 or 3. But again, you can see we've got a double bed in situ there, and I'm just going to step forward and turn around to show you there's a recess over there, which would be perfect for wardrobes. Those are freestanding. But double bedroom, and then behind this room with a rear aspect window, this is actually bedroom 4. Now I'm going to step into this room and turn around because it's a lot bigger than you think. Let me just spin around now. Hopefully the camera shows the true size of this room, but this is bedroom 4, so yeah, really good size. Again, with, hopefully you can see through the Venetian blind a view down the garden. You can see the extension just to my left beneath us. That's the kitchen extension. So this is bedroom 4. Decent size. Okay, now let's make our way downstairs and show you the garage and also the garden, of course. So we'll go back through the dining room and out through the kitchen door here. So let's first of all show you the garage, which is here. That's a garage door there on the left. So this actually gives you access through from the front to the rear garden. So as you can probably see straight away, decent sized garage. Sometimes these garages, single garage, you couldn't get a car in, but this is a decent garage, this one. And then just spinning round, there you go, that's the access through there to the garden. So now let's show you the garden to finish this tour. I'll take a wander down the end. As I said, it is a bit windy today, so hopefully the microphone is not going to get too much wind noise on it. A garden which is certainly 100 feet-ish in length. I'm sure the actual size of the garden is mentioned on the advert, as is the size of the property. I believe this house, when looking at the floor plan, it quotes it at around about a 1,500 square foot house, which is quite a good size. So this is the end of the garden, where you can see it looks like we've probably had a vegetable patch at some point. So let's just step around here, and we've got a sort of shed summer house here, but to be fair, that probably needs removing. And then, yeah, you can see the back of the house from here quite nicely. As you can see, it's a good sized house. The immediate impression would be, you know, Price-wise, it seems a low price for a house of this size, but obviously it does need some investment, some work. It is mainly cosmetic, if I'm honest, but a lot of house for the money and a cracking plot as well. So if you'd like to know more details, the number's on the website. My name's Gary, just ask for me. But and the same telephone number to arrange an appointment to view the house. So it just remains me to say thanks for watching.